Today we're going shopping for a mattress at Mattress Firm in Galveston, Texas. I have a very sensitive back. I wake up in the morning and it's painful. I sit too long, it's painful. However, when I visit my friends in Florida, I sleep like a baby and my back does great. They have those purple mattresses. I've been looking for about a year now at getting a purple mattress. It just took me a while to come to the conclusion that I was going to need to pay that much for a mattress. I'd been looking online for about a year and decided that Mattress Firm was my best bet. So off we go to Galveston, Texas, to the Mattress Firm store, where we were greeted by Dustin and his store manager, who informed us they were not salespersons, they were educators. The first part of the process was to see what kind of bed I liked. So while I sampled several of the beds, Dustin informed me what the pros and cons to each one was and why I might want to try a different one. I'd never had so much fun spending my money in my life. Dustin was funny, he was entertaining, and he was incredibly knowledgeable about the mattresses. And he explained what the pros and the cons were for each one that I tried. And I tried every one of them out. The other really cool thing in the store, you get to try out the signature adjustable base. If you have never experienced this, you really need to. It really does relieve the pressure in your back, and I couldn't believe how comfortable I was with the feet up and the back up while I was on my side. After several hours, I decided on the DREAMREST Pressure Smart 2 Hybrid Medium Mattress. Figured at this point, what the hell? I went ahead and got the signature cooling pillow along with the Deluxe Comfort Cool Mattress Protector. Dustin had me lay down and enjoy my new bed while he wrote up my order. Shopping with Dustin at Mattress Firm was so much fun. He knew every detail about every one of the mattresses, why you would pick one over the other. He was constantly asking me what I liked about a certain mattress and what I didn't like, and he would guide me to the next one. Delivery day was on time, and I got constant updates when they were coming. The beds were delivered by two very hardworking men. They set up the base, they set up the beds, and they had my old beds out in about 20 minutes. Here I am putting my bedding on my new bed, eagerly awaiting to try it out. Here is the material that the mattress cover is made out of. It's really thick. Everything was incredibly high quality. You know, being a musician, I don't usually spend large amounts of money on anything but instruments and equipment. This is the first time I've ever made a major purchase on a mattress. 3 weeks later, I'm here to tell you it was one of the best things I ever did. Along with my bad back, I have horrible sinuses, and at night it wakes me up constantly from the drainage. With this bed, I can tilt it just enough so that I don't snore, I don't have the drainage, and I sleep like a baby. This adjustable base is something you really need to experience to truly appreciate it. If you have any sleeping issues, I highly recommend going to Mattress Firm, checking out some of the products they have. I can't say enough about the staff there. Dustin was amazing. The mattresses that Dustin showed me were nothing short of miraculous. I'm incredibly happy with my experience and my purchase from Mattress Firm. Thank you, Dustin.